Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we would be seeing about introduction about IC engine and what is engine and its classification. Now let us start. What is engine? Engine is a mechanical device which uses the chemical energy of the fuel to convert it into heat energy and thus it produces mechanical work. An engine, what it does, it changes the chemical energy of the fuel first into heat energy and then to the mechanical work. Now we can have examples as steam power plants. I would be telling you later that how a steam power plant is an engine. In the classification, we have two kinds. First is internal combustion engine. Internal combustion engine, as the name suggests, the combustion takes place inside the closed chamber. As the name suggests, the combustion of fuel takes place inside the cylinder and the produced gases act on the piston to develop the power. Okay. In internal combustion engine, the combustion of fuel is inside the cylinder. For example, the 2-stroke or 4-stroke petrol or diesel engine which we are using in our automobile. And another is the external combustion engine. In external combustion engines, the combustion of fuel takes place outside. Outside the cylinder. Outside the cylinder, for example, we burn coal to get steam in the power plant. So coal is burned in the separate chamber, whereas in internal combustion engines, the petrol or diesel, which is the fuel, is burnt in the same chamber. Okay, now let's recall any machine which derives heat from combustion of fuel and convert this energy into mechanical work is called heat engine. These engines may be externally or internally combustion type. The internal combustion engines are the engines where the combustion of fuel takes place in the presence of air inside the cylinder and combustion takes place okay. We need air, or you can say oxygen, for combustion, and it is taking place inside the cylinder, so it's internal combustion engine. And those steam or the gases produced are used for producing mechanical work as they add up pressure to the piston. Similarly, in external combustion engine, the steam is generated by heating water. The liquid form is being converted into vapor form, or you can say steam. These produced steam is strike to the turbine blades, and the turbine blades rotate, and thus we get electricity. So in this video we learned about basics of engines, and in next video we are going to see components of IC engine. What is IC engine and its components?